Hello, everyone, and welcome to the first episode of Heated Topics. Today, we are talking about members versus non-members, and what members get and what non-members, don't get. Let's start out with clothing. Okay, looks like members, non-member, members, non-members. Members, non-members. Members, non-members, non-members. Members, non-members, non-members. Members, non-members. Members, non-member, non-member. Okay, yeah, you get the idea. Okay. Notice how, as we go on through it, Animal Jam gets more towards the member side because Animal Jam is getting a lot greedier over the years. One thing that I think is really embarrassing for non-members is this right here, which I found specifically in the jam session, is that members can get cool stuff like the violin, saxophone, and the guitar. I have no idea why they would name it that. And the only thing non-members can get in the jam session is the cowbell. This is just shameful. I don't know why. That's just embarrassing to me, I think. Another thing about non-members is that they can't buy eagles. And eagles let you fly around to different areas of the map, which also is not fair to non-members. Another one is, let's see. If I can find one. But members can get cool little pets. That really wasn't one I was trying to find. And, oh, here's what I was trying to find. Non-members cannot play other games, such as Ducky Dash and Snake and stuff like that. And, whoops. One other thing non-members cannot do is go to adventures. Well, they can only go to, like, Return of the Phantoms, Phantom Portal, and Cosmo. They can't do any of the other, like, cool adventures members can. Another thing is non-members only get 2 animal slots. Yeah. And the only animals that I can recall that non-members can turn into are tigers, koalas, wolves, pandas, rabbits, penguins, and monkeys. That's about it. And then you look at all the other animals members can turn into. And I could just go on and on about how members, it's just not fair at all to non-members because they're basically having the game ruined for them just because they can't buy one simple membership, and I think that's not fair to everybody. So I think the whole point of this series is to have Animal Jam lighten up on non-members. I know Animal Jam has to, like, make money and stuff, but, you know, non-members need to do a lot more stuff. And that just goes along with being fair. Goodbye.